I felt it very necessary to invest in a ring light and in softbox because it makes your content better. Okay. So when I started this live stream, someone was asking me, are you using lights? Yes, I'm using lights. Unfortunately, I cannot turn my screen for you to see. It's it's almost 12 p.m. in Ireland. But if I didn't have lights, places are dark, the clouds are dark. This live stream would have been very dark. Okay. It's important to go at your pace, but one step at a time. If you have your money, invest on one. All the things I have now for YouTube, I have a good number of backdrops. I have this, I have that. I didn't get them in one day. Like I always say, I'm not working. I don't have any sort of income apart from the little things I do, like online coaching and signing up waist trainers. That's all I do, but I'm not on a kind of salary and stuff. But the little money I have, I make sure that I am getting one thing that is making my content better. I don't know if you understand. No matter the number of subscribers you have, no matter if you're monetized or not, no matter if you have your WH or not, if you can invest in your content, invest. Don't go buy expensive things. One of the ways of investing is making sure that you are prepping your set before you film. Is it a video or you're going on a live stream? Okay, when I started this live stream, the image was kind of blurry, and that was because I didn't clean my lens. This is something I always do. I never forget to clean my lens. Of course, the first thing I usually do is to on my monetization. Yes. I on my monetization. That make sure that I clean the lens, I clean the lens of my phone, whatever device you are using on. That way, it gives you a clearer image. Okay, it gives you a clearer image. Clean it with something wet, and then you go with a cleaning cloth, with a dry cloth, you go over it, you clean it again. It makes your video, it makes your image look a little bit better. Okay, when I'm talking of investment, I don't only mean like putting in money, I also mean like putting in your time and your effort to do this. I have been learning for a long time now to read analytics, and guys, I can tell you that I have so much improved on reading my analytics. I have so much improved in reading my analytics. That is why I can tell you that for the two times I have received my paycheck, I just believe that it will get better and better, because reading your analytics, guys, it takes time. It takes time for you to know how to read that thing, and as much time you spend on the analytics, the more you master things that work for you. Hi, clear and nice. You're so much welcome to the live stream. Thank you for coming. Oscar's family, thank you so much for coming, guys. If you can, please share me on your tabs, okay? If you can, please share me. I would so much appreciate. Thank you so much for coming. Okay. Talking about investment, I will have to invest on a different phone holder. I have a tripod, but I was feeling lazy bringing the tripod when my ring light has a phone holder. But it keeps bending, guys. What should I do? Why is it struggle? What should I do? Oh my god, I should have taken my something, because my tripod, when your source of light is behind your light, the quality is better. Okay, so next time I'll take my tripod, because if the tripod was standing behind this ring light, the quality would have been so perfect. Fitness TV, thank you so much for joining the live stream. I appreciate you coming. I've never seen you on my LS. Thank you so much. It's an honor having you here today. So guys, the other day I was telling you how I was working on my YouTube analytics. The other day I discovered something. I don't know if you've ever been there. Advanced mode. Okay. When you go to your YouTube studio, you go to your dashboard. There is something that is always written at that top. I've always been seeing it, but I've never clicked on it. Written there. Thank you so much, Austin's family. Thank you so much for sharing me out. I appreciate. Hello, Blessing. Fitness TV is calling on you. So when